If you live in an area with poor quality NBN and your Wi-Fi signal might not be good also because you have a really basic Wi-Fi system, there are a few options that this Anker SOLIX X1 offers which make connecting it to the internet super easy. So the first one is Wi-Fi.
Please contribute. It really helps my independent, honest journalism for you.
All home battery systems support that, but not all of them support Ethernet cable. So I've got an Ethernet cable running directly from this to my home switch in the center of the house in case the Wi-Fi stops working as a backup. And as a third level backup, if my NBN connection fails, which is possible because I have crappy HFC Foxtel cable reused by the NBN, then I have the option of walking up close to this and connecting via Bluetooth to see the status and send control commands.
Luckily for you and unluckily for me, I had several NBN outages during the last week because we have crappy reused Foxtel cable which is used by the NBN instead of full fiber. Anyway, that meant I could test the Bluetooth control. As you could see in the app, you just press Bluetooth control in the battery section. After a few seconds it connects and then the little Bluetooth light pops up on the logo, and as you can see the data starts flowing from the battery and inverter to the app live, which is quite useful as a backup because we have NBN outages like probably at least once a month. Obviously this is not an approach you would use every day because Bluetooth connectivity to the Anker SOLIX X1 is only short distance compared to being able to access the app via the Anker SOLIX X1's connection to Wi-Fi, Ethernet cable or 4G mobile data, which allows you access from anywhere in your house or anywhere in the world really that also has internet connection.
Anker has been really thoughtful and provided a fourth connectivity option for people who don't have NBN, might live in a remote area and the only internet signal in the area is mobile. As an alternative for people who don't have good wired internet or any wired internet at all, Anker has a really great solution. Instead of using the included Wi-Fi and Ethernet cable dongle, you can have a 4G data dongle instead, which costs a little bit extra, a couple $100. So what they offer is for a small extra cost, you can get a 4G dongle instead, which plugs into the system and provides 5 years of data connectivity included in the price, which means you don't need to rely on sketchy Wi-Fi or non-existent NBN. Your battery can be connected reliably to the internet via a 4G signal instead, which is pretty awesome.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. It really helps me make more videos like this for you. And have a look at the suggested videos up above. I'm pretty sure you'll like those as well. Thanks, and see you later.